How to see when you created your Facebook account. Quick and easy. Want to know when exactly you joined Facebook? Let's find that secret date in just a few taps. Let's go. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings. Under Account Settings, tap on Account Center. Next, go to Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Access Your Information. Finally, tap Personal Information and boom! You will see the account creation date right there. Pro tip: if you are using Facebook Lite, the steps might look slightly different, so make sure to update your app for the latest version. And that's it. You just time traveled back to the day you joined Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.